All right, y'all, today we're gonna be working with our friends Mission Tortillas. Fixing to make some tostadas, and boy, it's gonna be good. Hey, let's start cooking. Y'all come on over here, we're fixing to heat up some refried beans over here. Keep them over here in the corner. Now we're gonna put our beef down, y'all. This is 80-20 beef, because we want this nice and juicy. Let me get it spread out here. Today we're using this beef, but you can use anything you want. You can use chicken, pork, whatever, turkey, whatever you want, it can be used. But today we're gonna be doing it with beef. So y'all hang on. We got plenty more stuff going on. I'm gonna throw a little oil down right here. Now I got my onions, y'all. Got to put your onions down. Y'all, you don't have to put the onions if you don't want, but I like mine cooked down. A lot of people eat them raw or whatever, but I like to cook my onions down a little bit. Okay, y'all, we're gonna let this beef and onions cook a little bit longer. We'll be back as soon as they're finished. Looks like our beans are about ready. We're gonna set these over here. Let's go ahead and mix these onions and ground beef together. There ain't no better smell than this. Beef and onions together is good. Just good. We ain't through yet now. We got some seasoning over here. This is just your basic taco seasoning. We're gonna put some on here. Now you can use this or don't use it if you don't want to. But you do need water on here. Put your water down. But you want everything mixed together really good. Let it steam, let it cook. Get all the goodness coming out of it. Can y'all smell this? It is good. This is about done. I think we can take this off the fire right now. Still got more stuff to do though. Main reason we want everything cooked good like this, so we can focus on our crispy shell. They're gonna be good and crispy when we through them. We're gonna do what you call a shallow fry. And we're gonna drop this all on here. Then we're gonna get our tortillas. We're gonna start throwing them out. Ooh, y'all, this is gonna be good. You want them good and crispy, so you put them down like this. Won't be long. We'll flip them to the other side. All right, y'all, we're gonna do this two different ways. My way and Miss Janet's way. First thing we're gonna do to do it my way, we're gonna get some of these beans set on here. Now, I always overdo it with this kind of stuff because I like a lot of stuff on mine. Now, here's your meat and onions. Ooh, that is smelling good. Gotta make it look pretty, y'all. Now we're gonna chuck a little cheese on here. Boy, we're gonna put a little bit of this sauce on here. We're gonna set this aside. We'll be a Miss Janet one. First thing, we're gonna get them beans out of here. Yeah, you gotta do it real easy. You don't, the tortilla's gonna break. Now let's get us some beef and onions going on here for Miss Janet. Not gonna put a lot because Miss Janet got other stuff going on hers. All right, y'all, now we're gonna do a little bit of lettuce and tomato. You know I don't like it, but Miss Janet does. So when she wants something, you just kind of gotta do it her way. All right, y'all. We're gonna put a little bit of sauce from this in it, not a lot, a couple of drizzles. All right. You know, I got mine made up. It just made Miss Janet something. Boy, they fancy looking. They are pretty. But I got this plain Jane like I like stuff, and we're gonna fix to eat one and see what it is. Y'all, this is good. The cheese, the beans, you just tasted all the onions and the beef. Y'all can make this a lot of other ways, but you've got to have the Mission Tortillas. That's what makes it. Oh, golly, this is good. Y'all got to get y'all some of these Mission Tortillas. Dump your oil on there and fry them, and you talk about good. Y'all, it is good and crunchy. Mmm.
Tonight you're cooking with the